all over YouTube, you see these are really awesome thumbnails that claim you can make all this money on Pinterest. And sure, they are super appealing and you're super curious about it, but how do they actually make money when it comes to leveraging Pinterest? Is it you just whip up a website, throw a bunch of ads on it, and voila, you have 50 grand in a month? I believe there are so much more ethical and sustainable ways that you can make money leveraging the Pinterest platform. Hi, I'm Kate All. I'm the owner of Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing agency, and I teach here so that you can help understand how to use Pinterest for your business. We're going to do a 6-part series covering all the ways that you can make money on Pinterest, not ads on a website, how you actually can leverage a product or someone else's products in order to make money. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 ways that you can make money on Pinterest. Now, this is going to be an overview, but subsequent videos are going to go into detail as to how you actually do that. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so that you'll see more of me and more of this topic of conversation. Because one thing we know is that a lot of our videos that have to do with making money off of products, off of Pinterest, do really, really well. So this set me on this whole trajectory of, okay, how does it actually happen? Pinterest and Amazon are connected, but there's like 7 different connections. What does it mean? What about LTK, reward style, Shopify, your own products? There is a lot. So let me break it down for you in this video today to just 5 ways, and then know that we're going to go into more detail in future videos. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1, Amazon. That big word Amazon might conjure up a lot of different ideas for you. So I'm going to break it down into all the ways I've gathered. I've got my trusty piece of paper here. We're going to go through so I don't miss any of them. There are actually 5 different ways that Amazon is connected to Pinterest. Note, I didn't say how you can make money from Amazon, but Amazon is connected. That's a really important distinction. Number 1, we have Amazon Associates. This is actually their affiliate program. Back in the day when I was working for a frugal and deal blog where I was slumming deals from Amazon every other second, I was great at Amazon Associates. So this is simply where you grab a link from your Amazon account, assuming that you're already set up, put that link somewhere and somebody clicks, you make money. So that's number 1. Number 2, Amazon seller. These are people who actually whip up their own products. Like my friend Will. He loves pickleball, so he thought it would be a great idea to create a bunch of pickle balls and pickleball paddles to try to sell it to his friends down at the court. It's working out pretty great. Number 3, we have the Amazon Influencer Program. And then this is something I was a little bit unfamiliar with. So essentially, Amazon gives you your own custom storefront. I do have one of those, but I've actually never leveraged it in this way. So this is where you would curate products so that people can kind of earn a commission off of this. I have visited people's Amazon storefronts before. I actually really like them because people can categorize things that they like. Let's say it's books, or it might be travel wear or accessories for your videos. It's a really helpful way to categorize it without having to go to a website or without even having to use Instagram or something like that. You can simply share your Amazon storefront with your community to say, I've curated all these ideas for you, click over here. Now, obviously you're an affiliate, so you're going to make money off of that. The 4th way that Amazon is connected with Pinterest is through a program that I just learned about the other day, Amazon Inspire. This is Amazon's content feed where creators post shoppable content inside the app. I actually always wondered how these people got their content on there. I truthfully and maybe naively thought they were just being helpful. It was somebody else who bought this really great puffer jacket and they just wanted to share what it looked like with me. No, these people are getting a special commission and they are doing the short form content and they are linking back to that listing from places like Pinterest or YouTube or Instagram. Genius. I love it, especially if you are somebody that loves to buy products on Amazon and you just want to share them with the world or you want to make a lot of money. Win-win. The fifth way, and this is the reason I titled this section Ways That Amazon and Pinterest Are Connected, is because this is how you, the user on Pinterest, not the marketer, connect your Amazon and your Pinterest account. Here's an example. Let's say that you are scrolling through Pinterest and you see this really great collage of all this beachwear because you're searching for your 50th birthday trip to go to Spain. That's me. You click on it and it goes directly to Amazon. There's no bumps in the app-to-app integration. That is because inside my Pinterest account, under my settings, I have connected Amazon. Guess what? Target is coming soon as well. Not that I need that, but it is. Why? Because Pinterest knows that people on their platform buy products on Amazon and Target. Why not make it easy? Now, I want to make a note that I missed in the Amazon storefront conversation. This is coming. In fact, in a future video, I'm going to cover this more in depth, where Amazon will let you connect your storefront. It's in beta right now. It only works on iOS. It might work on Android too, but you have to be invited into it. So it's a little bit of a trial right now, but I'm going to go into it in future videos. So watch for that. Actually, I think it might even be in the next video. We'll see. The other way you can make money on Pinterest is through affiliate marketing beyond Amazon. So this might mean LTK, which is formerly Reward Style, or any other affiliate program if you partner with something like Nordstrom or you partner with REI. You might be able to find a way to partner with these affiliate platforms in order to grab links to share with your audience. So here's the key with affiliate marketing overall, whether it's Amazon or it's LTK, any of them. This is where I think a lot of the YouTube videos on here get it wrong. They say, well, simply grab a topic that you know is going to be trending, write up a blog post, stack it with affiliate links, magic, you're a millionaire. No. What I know is that people are looking for recommendations or feedback about a particular topic. They're not looking for a post that you just whip up on the top 5 best jeans for women. And FYI, if you're a man writing this, then you're really not lending credibility to how these jeans are going to fit the different types of body types for women. Therefore, you're not going to get great sales. The best affiliate marketers are those that make a connection with a product and share their feedback about it and their connection to how it will help the person buying. I will tell you, Pinterest has a lot of AI right now, and I will go and I will look for products and I'll go to the website. And if I see that it is super generic and it is definitely AI written, I will not buy from it because I know that this person just grabbed a link, they whipped up a blog post using AI, they whipped up all their images and slapped it up there. They don't care about this product. They don't care about serving me. I want to find somebody who's really interested in sharing the best details and the best products about a particular topic because they are knowledgeable in it. And here's what I'm going to say about this. I actually think this is going to become more and more important for making money. Finding products, finding information is at our fingertips. What we're really looking for as buyers is to tell us about a transformation you had. It would be like me saying, I love this Rode mic that I'm using. I tried to buy this lapel mic and use it. It had really terrible feedback. Sure, I could put that lapel mic in the description below, but I won't because it actually kind of sucked. It might work well for my phone, which might be really great, but it's not working well for my camera. My Rode mic is working well for my camera. I'm not going to share that down below because it's not really important to you, but that's an example of how this works. It's an exchange of transformation or a product that worked for you. That is where I think the sweet spot is when it comes to making money on any type of affiliate. Third way you can make money off of Pinterest is by selling your own products. So this can be digital products. So let's start there with digital products. It's one of my favorites. In fact, this is what we have. Our entire shop thesimplepinshop.com, is a Shopify store where we have only digital products. We do have one physical product, and that is our planner that we have printed through an extension that we work with. But I don't have a ton of planners sitting in my garage that I'm trying to ship out to you. That's handled by somebody else. But I do have a bunch of digital products, from Pinterest templates, from a basic course about how to get started on Pinterest, all the way to Pinterest ads. This is so that we can create a product for you, ship it out to you, you buy it, you download it, you go through the course right away, and you get a transformation. I think it's also really helpful for people who sell things like meal plans or spreadsheets. Well, my number one way, which we're going to talk about this a little bit more in the video more in depth as we get into it, not this video, but the future video in the series, is you want to give context to your digital products. I just don't have a store over here, and I'm not sending you over there so you can just purchase. You want to know a little bit more about it. If you are a person who's fairly new to Pinterest and you're looking to get it set up the right way, I would say go buy our Pinterest marketing blueprint. It has all the 5 steps that you need. Actually, I think it's 7 to go through and really get your Pinterest account set up the right way. You won't have to double back. You won't have to do anything else. You should just go grab this and save yourself some time. You can go over and read about it, and now there's a connection. But if I just linked straight to it and I didn't talk about the Pinterest blueprint, you wouldn't even really know what it was for. So it's important to give context, and that's why people talk about a blog post or a landing page, a page where they can learn more information about what it is and how it's going to help them. The 4th way you can make money on Pinterest is physical products. Physical products are having a boom right now on Pinterest. If you are somebody that is a seller and a creator of a physical product, I highly encourage you to be on Pinterest. Here's why. Pinterest knows that they are the great informer of people buying a purchase. It's a lot of their stats. I think 83% of Pinterest users say that they were informed from the platform to making a purchase. Lately, within the last couple weeks, I've been spending more and more time on Pinterest, and most of my feed is physical products, and I am really tempted to buy. So if you want to position your products in a way that isn't just, here's a picture, go to my shop, but something like collections or writing a blog post about it. This is a really great way, again, to warm people up to your products. Now, there's a lot of hooks and handles you want to make sure are in place, such as the verified merchant program or getting your catalog set up. We'll talk about that in the series as we go along, but just know that this is a really lucrative way and a lucrative platform. In fact, I was talking to somebody else just recently who said a lot of her clients are really just staying in the Meta and the Google space. We can tell you with certainty that Pinterest ads are driving a lot of revenue for our clients who sell physical products. In fact, we are getting a tremendous return on ad spend when it comes to physical product sellers and the ads that we run for them. So if you're watching this and you're curious and you sell physical products, do not discount Pinterest, and especially do not discount Pinterest ads. Okay, number 5, and it's not actually just a tangible piece, but it is a connection. It's a connection that you are creating with the person on the other side, whether they're going to click on a blog post, click on a video, watch a long form video here on YouTube. The number one way that people actually are successful with making money on Pinterest is connection. People on Pinterest are cold to you. They don't know anything about it, and they are gatherers. They're very curious. So let's say they're planning for a vacation. They're planning 6 months in advance. So what they're doing is they're saving all of their ideas, which are your products, to their boards so that in a couple of months, right before their trip, they open up that board, click, and go buy. So the buyer's journey is much longer on Pinterest. But the quicker you can connect with people and the quicker you can get them to save, the greater chance you have of making a sale. So it's not just about those posts that I talked about where you're just whipping up a bunch of information, putting in an affiliate link, and calling it good. This takes time to curate, but once you do, you can really get into that groove and figure out what is going to sell best. So those are the 5 ways. Now it's up to you to figure out whether or not you have an existing pathway that's already available to you. Then you can just insert that wherever you need to when it comes to Pinterest. or whether you're looking to, in the future year, open up a new revenue stream for making money from Pinterest. Regardless, what I want you to do is make sure that you subscribe so that you're going to see the next 5 videos where we're going to go deeper into each one of these 5 ways that you can make money with Pinterest. If you are someone that does not want to set up any of this whole Pinterest foundation, you don't want to get your board set up, you don't want to get your profile set up, getting some of the tech connections connected for you, we can do that for you. Down below, we have an e-commerce kickstart package. This is perfect for people who want to get up and running fast and really get a good strategy quickly. Just click on the link down below in the description. You can book a call with our team and we can talk to you about that. Regardless, I want you to stick around for the next 5 videos where we can go into ways that you are actually going to make money off of Pinterest. And no, it is not going to be $10,000 in a month overnight. But yes, it will be a lucrative way for you to make money in your business that not only could be the main way that you make money, but can be another revenue stream for you, especially if you're focused on Meta or Google or TikTok, and you want to make sure that you are not having all your eggs in one basket and you want to diversify. Pinterest is a great place to do that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.